Hi there, my name is Sherry and welcome to Spoil Yourself with Essential Oils. So I'm super excited that you're here. You should have gotten your samples in the mail from me. So you should have gotten a little package of Deep Blue and 4 little vials of essential oil with a trifold. So make sure that you go and get those before we get started. So hurry along and get those because you don't want to do this video because in the video we're going to use all of those samples together so you can absolutely spoil yourself and feel amazing. All right, so while you're doing that, I'm just going to give you a little quick bit about me. So my name is Sherry. I'm a wellness advocate. I've been with doTERRA for 5 years. I started using essential oils because I was having some terrible trouble with my skin. And the doctor ended up giving me prednisone and steroid cream, which was kind of masking the problem. And I needed to dig in deeper to find out what was going on with my skin. So I ended up at an essential oil class in somebody's home. I ended up getting a starter kit, started to use lavender and tea tree, started to find some incredible differences very, very quickly, dove in a little bit more and did a little bit deeper dive, a cleanse actually inside of my body to see what was actually going on with me. And the rest is history. So actually last year in June, so a year ago, I was able to actually resign from my dental career after 32 years to pursue what I absolutely love to do. And that is to educate people, to give them opportunities, to give them empowerment, choices at your fingertips for you and your family with essential oils. All right, here, so let's dive in. So what are essential oils and where do they come from? Well, essential oils are naturally occurring aromatic volatile compounds and they come from nature. doTERRA means the gift of nature. So these oils come from trees and flowers and stems and roots and rinds of fruits as well. They come from all over the world. These oils are grown in their most indigenous areas of the world. So frankincense is going to come from Somalia, lemons are going to come from Italy, and lavender is going to come from France and Bulgaria. What doTERRA does is they go into these countries, a lot of them are third world, and they actually do something called co-impact sorting. And absolutely draws to my heart very, very deeply. So what they do is they go into these countries and there's people that live there where, say, the frankincense tree grows, third world country in Somalia, and they work with the people that live there to provide them jobs so that they can provide them income. And if it's not income that they want, they provide them with food, running water, clothing, and a better quality of life. They avoid the middleman right in between so that doTERRA can give back directly to these people to help them have a better life. So I say to people, when you open up your bottle of essential oil, if you look really, really closely, you'll see hearts come out. Because behind this bottle, what goes into this bottle before it gets into your hands to change your life, it changes a lot of people on the other side of that bottle to give them a much better quality of life. All right, so let's dive in here. doTERRA. So doTERRA uses certified pure therapeutic grade oils, CPTG. What does that mean? That means that inside of this bottle of essential oil, there is nothing else. Steam distilled lavender, cold pressed lemons, steam distilled frankincense resin. That's all that's in here. And if you're from Canada and you guys have been to the maple syrup farm before, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You can get yourself a bottle of pure maple syrup. Maybe you've been on the tour before where you've seen them collect thousands and thousands of gallons of sap from a tree. They take that sap and they steam distill it, and in turn you get this pure bottle of maple syrup. Oh, it's delicious. It's pure. Nothing else is in that bottle. But you can also go to the grocery store and get yourself this nice big bottle of Aunt Jemima. It's got sugar, preservatives, hydrogenated, blah, blah, blah in it, but it's only $4. So which one are you going to choose? We are exactly like the pure bottle of maple syrup. Nothing else is in this. So some people say, oh, the oils are expensive. They really aren't. They're pennies a drop. They are pure, they are potent, they are powerful. And I'm going to teach you while I'm here 3 cool things about essential oils, 3 ways to use essential oils, and how you can get essential oils into your home. So let's dive in here. Now make sure you have your little samples ready because we're going to start with the peppermint essential oil first. So make sure that you have that one ready. And I'm going to teach you 3 cool things about essential oils. All right, number 1, they are safe. doTERRA oils are safe. They are super safe that they can be used in approaches to modern day medicine as opposed to maybe using pharmaceuticals. They are 50 to 70% more powerful than herbs, and they can be used by everybody in the family, from babies to kids to seniors. Everybody can use essential oils. Yes, we have guidelines for our oils, but they are very, very safe to use. So we don't have any warnings on our bottle that says flammable and danger, poisonous. You will not see any of that on our bottles because our oils have been tested 5 times inside the doTERRA labs, and then we do outside third-party testing so that we know that these oils are deemed worthy before they enter into your hands. Now, peppermint, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the peppermint challenge, and I'm gonna get you to just wiggle off that cap. It's a little bit small, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. This reminds me of one of those little perfume vials, right? So you're gonna take the cap off and take your cap and set it down somewhere on your counter. And I'm gonna get you to take your peppermint, put your hand on top of it, turn it upside down so that you have a drop of peppermint on your hand. And then you're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna put it into that drop. Do you see that? Right there. And you're gonna put it to the roof of your mouth. Wow, super, super minty. Oh my goodness, that is going to freshen your breath. The cool thing is you can use it to freshen your breath without sugar, without aspartame. All right, now let's do the scent tent. We're gonna use the oil aromatically. We're gonna close our eyes, we're gonna make a scent tent, and we're gonna inhale. Oh my goodness, you feel that opening up your sinuses, clears your airways. Absolutely amazing. And now take your hands and just rub them on the back of your neck. If you're feeling warm or hot on a hot day, or maybe you're experiencing a hot flash, this is gonna cool your body down really, really quickly. Absolutely love it for headaches as well. So you can put essential oils right onto your temples if you're having a head tension. I love it for cooling, hot flashes. Like I said, if you're exercising or in a hot day, it'll cool you down. Good for focus. So if you got kids that need to focus on an assignment or some homework, get that going in your diffuser, some peppermint. And the cool thing, the hidden benefit is it actually can be used for spiders and bugs because they don't like peppermint. So, and I don't like spiders. So you can actually put this on a couple drops on a cotton ball, put it beside your doorway, and it helps to keep the spiders away. All right, so that's your peppermint essential oil, super, super safe. These oils are effective. That's another cool thing. They are so effective, they can actually penetrate through the wall of a cell. Essential oils can penetrate right through the cell, and our bodies are made up of trillions and trillions of cells. So if you have something on the inside of your cell, it would be a virus. And if you have something on the outside of your cell, it would be a bacteria. So if you went to the doctor and you had a bacteria infection, he would give you a prescription. If you had something on the inside, he would send you home. Drink more water, rest, take some acetaminophen. So if you have something going on the inside of your cells, you can actually take essential oils such as On Guard, and you can ingest it or use it topically, and it will get inside of your cells to kill off any bugs that are in there. So you will get better much quicker. And speaking of On Guard, that's an oil that we have that has clove in it, cinnamon, wild orange in it. It's very, very powerful. Clove is the most powerful antioxidant on planet Earth. This is one of the top oils that doTERRA had. They actually had to cap how many bottles people could buy because we really want our immune system super, super strong right now. And the other thing, are these oils affordable? They are so affordable. They are much more affordable than paying for medicine, and they are safe for our bodies as well. So there's no side effects and there's no addictions. The thing I love about them is each of the oils, depending on where they're originated from and how hard it is to obtain these oils, that depends a lot on the price of the oils. So the lemon oil is half a cent a drop, but frankincense is 25 cents a drop. So if you think that's expensive compared to going to the drugstore and picking up a bottle of Advil and paying maybe $1 or $2 for a tablet, where you can get some peppermint essential oil for 10 cents, put it onto your temples to help with that headache. So knowing that these oils are super affordable. So 3 cool things: safe, effective, and affordable. Now I want you to get out your lavender essential oil. That's your next one. Same thing. Now I want you to take the cap off, and we're going to use this oil because we all know that lavender is very calming oil. It helps for a restful night's sleep. And you don't need to use this at nighttime. This can be used in the daytime. Also amazing. It's good for calming the mind, calming the body. But I bet you didn't know you could use this for bug bites, burns. So if you burn yourself, you can put a drop directly onto your burn, or if you have a mosquito bite that's itching you, put a drop directly onto that mosquito bite, and it's gonna stop that right away. So put the drop onto your hand, and I'm just gonna get you to rub your hands together, make the scent tent again. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze here. And then inhale. Oh, that is pure lavender. And now just take your hands and rub them onto your wrists here. Okay, the oils get into your bloodstream within 2 minutes and 20 minutes into your body. Super safe, super effective, super affordable. How do you use essential oils? 3 ways to use them. And we did it with the peppermint challenge. You can use the oils aromatically. So just like we did with the scent tent, inhale. If you don't have essential oil to do that with, you can put it on a diffusing jewelry. So sometimes you can get jewelry with the kohl beads on it. You can put oils onto there. Just put a drop and rub it right on. You can get a diffuser. So this is something you can put into your home. You fill it with water and you put in 4 drops of essential oil, turn the button on, Change the mood in your home. Haha, I love it. I have 2 kids, 18 and 20. You just go into their rooms, fill it with water, put in a calming, happy oil, push the button. Everybody's mood gets changed. It's so, so easy. So that's a diffuser. Everybody in that room gets effects of it because the oil gets into your bloodstream. 20 minutes into the body, 2 minutes into the bloodstream. So that's aromatically, topically. Just like I said, we put a drop on the back of our neck. The thing is, when you put a drop on, sometimes it doesn't last very long. So what I like to do is get some fractionated coconut oil. That's a liquid coconut oil. And what you can actually do is put a little bit of it in your hand, and you can mix it with a drop of essential oil, and then you can rub it onto a larger area of your body if you'd like. Now, that may not be super convenient. So what I will do, and when you get started with your oils, and if you get started with a kit, what I will do is give you a bottle of fractionated coconut oil, and I'll give you 2 empty roller balls. And what I'll teach you to do is put some essential oil into your roller ball, top it up with some fractionated coconut oil. You'll put the lid back on, and then they come with a cap, round cap. I don't know where the cap is. Anyway, and then you're gonna just shake this. And then you can roll this directly onto your temples, behind the back of your neck. You can roll it onto your wrists. So you have this. It's super, super handy to have these roller balls in your purse, at your desk, in your car, in your kitchen. Really, really easy to apply the oils topically. And then the last way is internally. Most of our oils you can ingest, about 90% of them. Some of them you cannot. So if they have a child-proof cap on them, that means you cannot ingest them, and it will say on the bottle. You can put oils in water to help you drink more water, because who loves drinking water? It's so plain. So add a drop of lemon, grapefruit, lime to your water. Make sure you're using glass or metal, not plastic. And you can also put it into food. So oregano can go into your pasta sauce as an antioxidant. Lemon can go into a lemon loaf. You can use all kinds of oils for cooking, or you can put a drop directly under your tongue. Frankincense right under your tongue. Frankincense is very good for cellular support in the body, and it helps to keep those healthy cells functioning at their highest. So that's how you can use oils internally, topically, aromatically. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is the deep blue rub. So you've got some deep blue. It does come in an oil. It also comes in a rub. What I want you to do is get a little bit of this out of the container here. And this here should last you for probably about 3 applications. And this is about all you really need. And I want you to get some of that onto your fingers and just rub it right onto your neck. Or maybe you've got a sore back, maybe you've got some sore knees, maybe you even have a headache right now. You can use that directly for that areas as well. I love it on my shoulders, feels so good. It has wintergreen in it, so you're gonna smell that. Maybe you're familiar with A535. Now the cool thing about this is there's no NSAIDs in it, so there's no anti-inflammatories in it. So it's very safe for you and for your kids. And anti-inflammatories, NSAIDs are not the best for our bodies, okay? So this here, deep blue, comes in a rub, comes in an oil, actually comes in a little bit of a larger tube here. So that's our deep blue. And then lastly, we have 2 more oils left. One is Zengest, Digest Zen, this little guy here. You may not need this right now, but you can use this later. doTERRA does have a lot of oils. The top 10 oils that they have, I'm gonna send you some information after this video. And so I'll give you the list of all the oils and prices and things like that so you can see. But that's how I recommend you get started. It was with the top 10 oils because it's pretty much a medicine cabinet makeover. So in our top 10, we have frankincense, lemon, lavender, oregano, peppermint, tea tree, balance, easy air, deep blue, Zengest, and On Guard. Now this is our Zengest. So if you've ever had a stomach ache, upset stomach, diarrhea, bloating, cramp, acid reflux, what you do is take a couple drops of this. Now there's probably 8 drops in here. Put a couple drops in some water and drink it, or put a couple drops on your tummy or on your finger and rub it directly onto your tummy or onto your chest here. Works so, so quickly. And the other thing is you can use is the Balance Essential Oil. And I don't know where my Balance is. I have the big bottle here. These are glass bottles. You get 250 drops in the big bottles and you get 80 drops in the small bottles. So Balance, super grounding, super calming. It has frankincense in it. Frankincense is the skin oil. It is anti-inflammatory oil. It is healthy cell oil. It's powerful, powerful oil. You must have a bottle of frankincense. And frankincense is in balance, because we have some single oils like peppermint, and then we have some blend oils like Balance, which has got whole wood, blue tansy, frankincense in it. Now this here oil, this is going to make you feel so, so good. Just get a drop of it on your hand, rub your hands together, inhale, and then I want you to just rub your hands onto your lower back, okay? that's a great place to put oils because your spine is there. It has all the nerve endings to your body. So a great place to put it is on your spine as well. Balance. You're just going to feel so amazing after using that. And don't forget to use up those samples that I've given you as well. All right, I don't want to keep you too much longer. We're at the 15-minute mark and we're almost done here. So how do you get essential oils into your home? You can get them retail. So you can buy a bottle of lavender essential oil for retail. I'll send you some prices. Or you can also buy it wholesale. To get a wholesale, you got to get a wholesale account, just like shopping at Costco. Our wholesale account is only $42 instead of $120 like Costco. So $42, and then you can get this for wholesale prices. Now, you can also get a kit. And what doTERRA does is they have kits. So there's enrollment kits, and I'll send you some information after where you get a bundle of oils. Some of them have diffusers with them. It includes that wholesale account and is free. So you don't pay the $42, but you get to shop for wholesale prices all year. Everything comes to your front door. How do you get started? You choose an oil, you choose a kit, or if it's not for you, then you choose nothing. And maybe you're not interested in natural solutions. Maybe you're not interested in taking care of you and your family with natural solutions. And I understand that because it's not for everybody, but honestly, it's changed our lives. And to give you the empowerment, to give you choices, something that's safe, effective, affordable at your fingertips, I cannot tell you enough about it. The aha moments that our family has had from using essential oils, I can go on and on, but my video has to stay pretty short here. So anyways, after, if you get your oils, choose your oils, figure out what your health concerns are. What do you suffer from? Headaches, digestive issues, back pain? Let me know what they are, and I can send you a kit to get that's best customized for you. We can do oil to try. It's totally up to you how you want to get started. And you don't need to get everything all at once, remember. So if you get the kits, those are the cheapest because you're going to get more for less. And you're also going to get a welcome package from me. And with the kits, you get the free coconut oil and the free roller balls as well. So don't miss out on that. You're actually getting a savings of $45 when you get started with the kits. All right, so when you're done the video, I want you to message me and I'm gonna send you some PDFs of the price lists of the kits, and then we can take it from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm loving that you are able to hop on, watch, and learn a little bit more about essential oils, because we all want to live younger, longer, and these oils have changed my life, and my goal is to help everybody get these oils into their hands. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.